Hello, dear students. I'm Vandana Kakde, your teacher for optional English course. And first of all, I heartily welcome you to the first lecture of optional English. And in this lecture, I'm going to introduce the syllabus of this course. So, dear students, let's see by using the PPT, the topics included in the syllabus. Okay. So here you can see the PPT of the syllabus. The students, due to COVID-19, we are not able to take offline lectures. So we are arranging online lectures. And if you are interested to come to college, you are most welcome. You can inform about this, and taking the permission of your parents, you can come to college if you are interested once or twice a week. Okay. I have also prepared a Google Classroom, and in that Google Classroom, I will regularly post the online lectures and study material for this course. So you have to watch uh, those videos and read the study notes regularly, and be in touch with me and other students also through WhatsApp group and Google Classroom. Okay. So now let's see about the topics in this course. The title of the course is Introduction to Prose and Fiction. And the syllabus of this course has been changed this year, revised this year. And in the first semester, we are going to learn paper 1. So whatever topics are included in this particular course, let's see about that. First of all, we shall try to understand the objectives of the course. Objectives means Uddishte. The first objective is to create interest and develop passion amongst learners towards English literature. Second, to familiarize learners with salient characteristics of literary genres like short story, prose, fiction, and non-fiction. Third, to introduce learners to various elements of selected short stories written in English and translated into English. Fourth, to acquaint learners with different forms of prose and its importance through close reading of selected works. And last is to understand that literature is an expression of human values and universal truths. So, the course has these objectives. In short, we can understand that you will be introduced or familiarized with various genres such as short story, prose, and fiction in this particular paper first, or maybe paper first and paper second for semester second. So through the overall syllabus, you will learn various genres of literature, and you will also understand some values, human values, universal truths. You will have also awareness about environment or gender sensitization, such type of things you will learn through literature, and you will try to understand the importance of these forms, or you will take also interest, will take interest in literature. And these are the outcomes based on the objectives. The outcomes also say the same things like develop a passion for reading literary works among students, to make learners at ease in the process of appreciation of literature, to enable learners to understand and analyze selected stories, prose, fiction, and non-fiction masterpieces, to imbibe the underlying philosophy and values reflected in literature, and to develop sensitivity to nature and understand the relationship between human beings and environment. So outcomes means whatever the objectives are will be fulfilled, and you will get the benefit of these topics in the syllabus in the form of such type of things. That is, you will learn to appreciate literature. You will understand various human values, and the importance of environment, and you will also try to understand or analyze the stories and prose and fiction, etc. Okay, and it will help you to develop your personality and your value system or your thoughts by understanding the philosophy of various writers. So now we'll try to understand the course content. In unit number 1, you will have some terms, and it has 15 lectures to teach. And the terms are like this: that is development of short story, elements of short story, that is plot, character, setting, narrative, development of essay, features of prose writing, types of prose, and autobiography. So these are the short terms, and there will be I will provide you some short notes and study material for these particular terms. Then unit number 2 has short stories. It also has 15 lectures for teaching. And the first short story is The Cop and the Anthem, written by O. Henry. Second is A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. Third is The Kabuliwala, written by Rabindranath Tagore, Indian writer. And then fourth is The Jew Bird, written by Bernard Malamud. And fifth is Mother by Baburao Bagul, who is a Marathi writer. Last is The Paper Menagerie by Ken Liu. So there are some in English or American and Indian writers whose stories are included in the syllabus. And these stories are very interesting. You'll find it very, wonderful, amazing stories. Next, unit number 3 is based on essays, essays related to literature particularly. Our values, human values. So these are some of the essays included in the syllabus like this. This third unit also has 15 lectures for teaching. So the first essay is written by Francis Bacon. Bacon is a very famous essayist, English essayist, and his essay, he's a British writer particularly, and his essay of marriage, 2 essays are included, that is of marriage and single life, and the next is of revenge. Another writer is Charles Lamb, and his essay, The Two Races of Men, is included in the syllabus, described in the syllabus. Then the third is Ralph Waldo Emerson, who is American writer. His essay, Self-Reliance, is described. Then next is W.E.B. Du Bois, surviving, his essay, Surviving of the Negro People, is there. And then Shobha De, who is an Indian writer writing in English, who is a very actually famous novelist, and her essay, 2 essays are included, that is, which are taken from Speed Post. The first essay is Dear Arundhati, and the next is Dear Aditya. Then the last essay writer is here Subroto, and his 2 essays are included, like Learning to Listen and Who is a Good Leader. These 2 essays are taken from the book Go Is the World. So these are the topics included in these 3 units, which I think the syllabus is very short but sweet, and very clear before you. And the scheme of examination or the evaluation pattern is also given. And this evaluation pattern actually will be followed for the next time, I think, next semester, because in this semester, we are going to conduct online examination. So this pattern will not be followed for this semester first end examination. Semester end examination will be of 100 marks. And if this pattern is followed in the second semester, particularly if the college will be offline and the exams will be also conducted offline, then only this type of pattern will be followed. And in this pattern, you will find 20 marks questions, five questions of 20 marks. And question number means each question carries 20 marks. There are 5 questions. So 20 into 5 is equal to 100, total 100 marks. So the first question is of short notes, which is based on unit number 1, that is terms. And you have to write there 4 short notes out of 6 for 20 marks. Second question is essay type question, means long question of for 20 marks. 2 will be given and you have to write 1 out of 2. And at least 4 pages answer you have to write for this particular question. Then question number 3, again based on unit number 3, the same essay type question. you have to write 1 out of 2 for 20 marks. Question number 4, short notes based on unit number 2 again. And there are 2 short notes will be asked, and you have to, sorry, 4 will be asked, and you have to write 2 for 20 marks, means 1 short note will carry 10 marks. Then question number 5, the same as question number 4, but based on unit number 3, that is SS. And again, there are 4 short notes will be asked, and you have to write 2 out of 4 for 20 marks, 1 for 10. So this is the very clear evaluation pattern given for you. And I think don't take tension about this pattern, because this will be followed in the next semester end examination only, second semester end examination, not for this time. Okay, if I think, and if is followed, doesn't matter, it's very clear and very easy also. So I think you will regular attend the classroom and also be in touch with me on WhatsApp group, okay, which is created for FYBA students, and you will be provided the study material and video lectures or online, whatever online material is available for you in the classroom, and also will be given notices regarding the activities and whatever is going on in the college on WhatsApp group. So be particular or be regular or be aware of all these things. And I think I have covered or I have introduced in short with the topics of this particular course. As I think I not told you the word course. That is, the course is used for subject now, because there are 6 courses for you in FYBA, and one of these course is optional English. And I think you have got the clear idea about this talk, about the syllabus of this optional English. So let's stop now, and